Today, guys, I'm gonna get a driver's license. This Pon's car. And today's the day I'm gonna get a driver's license. Let's get a driver's license.
Today, guys, we are gonna play with Jeff.
Yes, I'm getting my first driver's license. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm teaching him how to drive now. And then
Oh my gosh.
You be slow and steady before I fire you.
If I crush this, we might die together. I'm gonna go to driving school. I'm gonna go to driving school. The teacher's kinda visible. I mean, yeah.
There's a secret ending if you said teacher you're beautiful.
Huh?
There's a secret ending that teacher you're beautiful.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Try the secret ending. Are you sure?
Yes!
Look at this.
Yes! Teacher?
Teaching.
Oh my god.
Teacher.
Teacher. B.
Ano ang kulay
Beautiful.
ng buwan sa kantang ni Juan Carlos?
Bro, nothing happened.
Okay, salamat. Di ba kayo pipili? Teacher Dicky. Dicky underwear. You know what time it is?
Oh no!
Utin
Utin doon! Utin doon!
Opo.
Utin invisible doon!
I still got 100 though. Bro, guess what? Guess what? Guess what, John? Guess what? Hey, you know what? I'm gonna escape this school. I'm gonna escape the school. I'm out of the school, but I think this is the driving. I think this is the same.
I think this is Ohio.
Oh, this is the same project last. Yo, chill.
Oh, you made it!
SpongeBob, bro.
Okay, guys. Jeff is eating right now, so I'm gonna cross the street. I'm just gonna. I didn't even get to cross the street yet.
It was a break. Let's go, run. Driving school boring. Crushing car good. Come on. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And bye, guys.
Wait!
Next time I will do driving again.